Friday today and we are in Santorini. We just arrived, but I thought to do a quick get ready with me while I'm here. We've just checked in technically, but our room is not ready. It's 7:30 in the morning. We flew in from Athens and I thought, you know what, let me actually film a quick get ready with me, not just to fill the space in that week, but also to catch up and tell you guys how our trip has been so far, and also to just get ready in Santorini. I'm so excited, can you tell? The lighting is also good here. I'm literally not going to be too fussed about a lot of things. First of all, I don't have my whole makeup bag here. I don't even think I have anything on my brows, I just realized.
Hey there, it's Yolz channel.
I literally have this bag with all my cosmetics. So I brought 2 eye brushes, this one and this one over here, which I think I'll just add a little bit of this color with the pink. I won't even go close to my lash line because I don't want to be trying to find an earbud and makeup remover to remove it close to my lash line. Like, it doesn't matter, my Instagram pictures will be fine. They'll still be fine without all of that. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this red in there. Yesterday, upon our arrival, the weather was beautiful and we thought, oh, well, Athens is doing the things, welcoming us well. Kanti, little did we know, we took a nap for a few hours, like 2 or 3 hours. When we got to our hotel, we were really tired because we flew in from Doha, which was a 10-hour flight, and then from Doha to Athens another 4.5, 5 hours. So we wake up, we're ready to go to lunch, we're in our shorts, I am in my bathing suit, wearing my shorts and everything, feeling good. Get into the taxi. The minute we get out, the clouds all of a sudden they just pack up and boom, it rains. It was pouring yesterday. We're like, Auntie, this place welcoming us with the rain, is this a good sign? Is this a bad sign? Hebana. Turns out this is the very first rain they've received since the beginning of autumn, and autumn season starts in October. So yeah, we basically welcomed the rain in this country. And it was just awkward, to be honest with you. We just felt a bit awkward wearing what we were wearing, and we were just like, did it have to happen today? I'm just gonna apply this a little bit just to shape a bit of my brows, although I don't want them to be standing out at all because they're not filled. By the way, I didn't end up dyeing them because I thought they were still quite dark. This brow tint, the Julian brow tint works, guys. It actually works. It's insane. Do follow me on Instagram. I do have random giveaways at times there, more than I do on YouTube actually. So do follow me if you are somebody who loves to enter competitions. Okay. I think my brows look natural enough. They look a bit shaped. I'll just buff this out, but I'm going to apply a bit of concealer just to brighten them a little, and also to look as though I've got makeup, but very minimalistic makeup. This is the kind of makeup I would wear if I'm traveling, and I'm literally gonna apply concealer. I did not prime, and I've got my primer here. Don't ask why I didn't prime your face. It's probably because I'm talking and doing all of these things, but literally I just want just something J. There's a Tindi right, Tindi ready. He's a one. Once I put powder and I blend. This is one makeup tutorial that should clearly not be followed because I'm in a rush. Okay, let me just calm down for a second. Y'all calm down. We know you're excited, but calm down, girl. Calm down. Okay. Things are starting to look better. They're blending. Let me do this quickly. I'm gonna try and edit this on my phone. So I honestly hope I'll be able to edit it on my phone and upload. How I'm gonna upload, I have no idea. The Lord alone knows how I'm gonna be able to upload. I've got makeup everywhere right now. This is not to be done at home. I just wanted us to catch up while I do this. Whatever this is, it will work out. Trust. Girl, it will work out. Now to apply fawn, because fawn looks very much like my skin tone. We're gonna cover up, oh, that was a bit much. Using a bit of fawn on the places where I have marks, because we want to look flawless but with minimal makeup. I'm gonna wet my sponge again, and then there we go. I'm sure my husband's gonna come looking for me. I did not tell him I'm filming. Been here for 15 minutes. Let me give myself another 5 minutes to finish up. Okay. Now I'm just gonna blend it out and make sure things don't look wonky. The rest of the concealer that's on here, I'm just gonna apply everywhere else. So yeah, my story wasn't even done yet. I was still saying, so eventually what we ended up doing is we stayed at the restaurant that we went to, where there was rain and stuff like that. And then we decided to move to the right restaurant where our friends ended up being, because they were restaurant hopping, trying to find the right restaurant that wasn't too expensive. And when you get to anywhere, if you are touring the world, when you find the first restaurant you go to being very expensive, I would advise to move. Find somewhere where it's affordable. You'd rather go to the most expensive restaurant, which maybe is for, you know, the gram or very fancy and you want to try it. Go on the last day when you know you've got money in the bag. We wanted to still shop while we're here in Greece. We want to spend our money on things that we actually want, you know, now in the beginning. And then whatever's left over, we can always just splurge later, close to before we leave. We ended up leaving that restaurant once the rain stopped. Thankfully, the rain only like lasted for like 10 minutes, maybe 15. Not very long at all. So now I'm just removing this same brush I'm going to use to contour. Just using a bit of powder all over my face so that things look even, especially my forehead, which doesn't look even right now. So we ended up leaving and then we found the perfect restaurant. Oh my goodness. The cutest spot called Mikhailo, I think it's called. Amazing, amazing food, amazing host. I think it's family owned business, but they ended up giving us free dessert. And those who were drinking, they got free tequila and stuff. We came with a group of friends from Cape Town. Actually, Jade from Just Jade Vlog. I'm the one who's jumping on her trip. Actually, she's celebrating her birthday here and my birthday's next week. But I decided, oh well, why don't me and Vacay join them, because there was space on the trip for two. And yeah, I decided to join them and I don't regret it because it's just been amazing. I love the fact that we're doing our own thing. They are on their way to, I think they would have arrived by now, to Mykonos. And they're spending 2 days there. We decided not to go to Mykonos. It's a party sort of island, and it's great if you're going with a big group and you have a mission, but we wanted to do our own thing, and thankfully we could agree on that, like with everyone, and we're all cool. So we decided to come to Santorini because it actually just goes with what we want to do. Now I'm just contouring, powder contour quickly, and we're almost done. 15-minute face beat, although we are on like 20 minutes, but we've been chatting. Alrighty, now for some highlighter. I'm not even gonna go too deep, I just want a bit of glow. Right here, going in with my fingers, because I didn't bring my brush. Yes. A bit on my cheek as well, just for the glow. Listen, we only live once, why not? My brows don't look too bad. They're a bit wonky because they've got like very little product on them. And I did not take my pencil with me, I didn't pack it in. So I should have done that. But otherwise, for a quick face beat, I don't think it looks too bad. I just want to blend this because there's a bit of a harsh line there. There we go. Yeah, now I can go out there and enjoy my exploration in Santorini without feeling like I look like somebody who's just gotten out of the plane. Oh, guys, I'm so excited for Santorini. By the way, the place we're staying at looks amazing. It's just a pity we can't check in. I can't wait to see our room. Yeah, I think I'm done, guys. I just need to add my red lipstick. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat. So should I wear MAC? Maybe I should try this one. I've never tried this color before. Ooh, nice. Yes. I just want to be romantic in this place, guys. So I'm here for a romantic day out with the hubs kind of look. Yes, I like. Alrighty. Don't have lip liner because I left my liner, but I think that's fine. It's not too bad. Yeah, we look cute. We're looking cute. Then I've got my water here, which I'm going to spray my face with. Because even if we're using concealer, you still want to make sure your face is set. Alrighty, I'm gonna head out. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and look out for more Greece content. I'm so glad to have caught up just a bit. I know I was busy, but I'm glad to have caught up with you. I love you guys so much, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick get ready with me here in Santorini. Love you guys so much. Bye.